Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection. Uh, it's been a year when I purchased this guys. It's a Shinkansen N700 series bullet train. It's a wind up toy guys, and it's also a tin can toy. Anyway guys, I think this is a 1980s uh, metal tin can toy with wind up mechanism guys. And until now, it's still in good condition guys. See? So, as you can see guys, uh, although it's a tin can, it's also detailed like the windshield and windows on the side and the stripes. And guys, in the back, you can read made in Japan. So this one guys is a metal, and this one also is a metal guys. The only plastic is the wheels. Then the wind up mechanism guys, it has spring loaded, also metal. So I think it's like the size of this guys, it's like a Chorokyu. Chorokyu. And if I'm not mistaken guys, I have 3 of these. The two uh, I will look for it or find it guys. I don't know where did I put it. Anyway guys, it's a vintage 1980s Shinkansen N700 series. It's a metal tin can guys, and wind up uh, mechanism guys, and still in very good condition. Okay, and made in Japan guys. The size of this guys, it's like a Chorokyu standard size, and also a Japanese traditional toy. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you very much. Please like and share. Bye.